This is the Lamborghini Temerario, the hybrid hypercar that replaces the Huracán and blows all expectations out of the water. With 907 horsepower up to 10,000 RPM and purpose-built to dominate both track and tarmac, the Temerario is shouting Lamborghini's future. The Temerario isn't just a model year update, it's a bold reinvention. It's powered by a twin-turbo V8 and 3 electric motors, 1 front, 2 rear, backed by a 3.8 CON plug-in system. That combo delivers a staggering 907 HP and 0.6 DPM in around 2.5 seconds. It's their most electrifying car yet. If the Huracán whispered power, the Temerario shouts it. Its dramatic styling channels Lamborghini's heritage from the Cantucciera fascia to the purposeful swan-necked rear wing. Every design element is functional, lowering drag and boosting downforce. At its core is a newly developed twin-turbo V8 revving to 10,000 RPM, a first for Lamborghini. It teams up with an electric setup that adds boost, fills torque gaps, and powers drive modes like drift mode, launch control, and advanced torque vectoring systems. Inside, the Temerario merges racing cockpit with luxury detail. Expect Alcantara, carbon fiber, digital telemetry, and a hybrid energy flow display integrated into the central screen. Optional telemetry lets you record performance data to upload and analyze later. Lambo Track Day Ready by default. With only 99 units produced, the Temerario is exclusive and all sold out. Priced north of $700,000, 0 cents, it marks Lamborghini's first major V8 hybrid flagship. Beyond the speed and sound, it's a message. Lamborghini is electrifying its DNA, and it's doing it with drama, not compromise. In a world chasing electric hypercars, Lamborghini stands out by sticking with a V8 electrified for more performance, not less. Compared to Ferrari's EV plans or Porsche's Taycan Turbo GT, the Temerario keeps traditions alive while sprinting into the future. So who should care? If you're a collector or track junkie who wants a car that's emotionally raw and technically advanced, the Temerario is an electric luxury that still roars. It's not for EV purists, and it's not built for commuting. It's built to belong on the limit. It's a bridge between the analog passion of yesterday and the electrified promise of tomorrow. That is the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario, executed to electrify your soul and smash the stopwatch. What's your take? Would you drift one? Comment your dream road or track circuit down below. Hit like, subscribe, and click the bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next in the automotive future.